Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to say sorry to all because there is a too much delay for this video. Actually, I was busy in my personal problem and personal work. So today I got the time to make this video. This is the part 4 to develop our Qt Car HMI application, or how to add the multimedia music player application in our Qt Car HMI application, or how to develop the multimedia player application in our Qt QML application. So both are the same. So let's start. So you know all this. Let me run this application first. So this is our music player, a simple multimedia player application where there's you can see the next music, previous music, play button, pause button, and the music mute and control button, and this is a shuffle button. Currently I work programming for this music play and pause and music player, and there's a slider to display the duration of the specific video, and this is a thumbnail, and this is you can see the artist and name of the music. Okay, so this is a you can see the video is playing, and this is the mute and on the voice, and this is a slider. Okay, so you can see you can adjust the duration or skip the specific part of this music, and this is a pause button. So this is a simple and very basic functionality in our Qt QML application. Main challenge is how to display the thumbnail in our Qt QML application. So this is the main challenge. You can see this is the simple basic. Let me explain this first of all the code. So this is the function to get the time of the specific music. Okay, so here I define this fixed path of our music. You can browse or set the specific location from it. Okay, and here I use the on metadata change event. Here I got the all the metadata like description, title, copyright, duration, file format, and album title, album artist, and thumbnail image. Here you can see this is the most important. Okay, so here let me explain first of all code, then I will explain the whole functionality one by one. So this is the first of all media player. Okay, I use the media player element to add or a music. Okay, so here I set the autoplay false, and this is the audio output. Here I set the 100% volume. Okay, and this is the on metadata change. This code I will explain you later. Okay, now this is the main rectangle. Here I add a controls where I display the time start duration. You can see this is the id start duration, one slider to progress slider, our music progress slider, and this is the end duration. Okay, so this all the text, three basic control, and now this is a grid layout where I add the buttons, shuffle button, next play button, pause button. You can see here I add a one grid layout. Then internally I use the row layout for the my buttons. Okay, so this is the first button, this is the second, third one, fourth, and fifth. Here you can see I just apply the code for the end play and the pause button. Okay, you can also add the code as per your requirement for the previous music and next music. This is the shuffle icon. Okay, and this is the previous music, play, pause, and the next, and mute and unmute the button. Okay, so you can see I use the media player set audio output as a mute. Okay, so now let's run the application and see you show you again. So this is the you can see I add the this function, and this is the row layout for the our buttons. Okay, and now this is you can see this is I use the thumbnail image element for the thumbnail. Okay, and here I create a one rectangle to display the our artist name and title. Okay, so you can see this is I use the column layout where the first of all I say the song name, then I show the artist name. Okay, so this is the basic code, and this is the function to get the specific time. Okay, so by use of this function we got the time for to which one to I have to display. Okay, so you can see the time is also increased, and here I when I change the slider value, so you can see the value is also changed. Okay, Now let me pause this or stop this application. Now this is the main part, is this thumbnail, how to display the thumbnail. Okay, so here I got the one metadata by use of this function metadata thumbnail, but how to display this thumbnail in our application. So I create a one class media player related. Okay, so I create a simple function save thumbnail image, which data will call pass from our QML file, and which is this function will save that data into image format and specific temporary location directory. You can see, and return that specific URL. Okay, so you can see that I return the URL. Okay, now here I URL display here. Okay, so I got the file URL thumbnail image as a source, and I displayed here. Okay, and you can see the both label I displayed the title and album artist. The both label text label are declared here. You can see. Let me show you first. So this is the both label, song name and artist name, that I displayed here, and I just display here a specific title value on the label. Okay, and this is the how I display the thumbnail on the our Qt QML application. So this class is main important to save the image. So now how to use this class in our Qt QML application. So here I use the main function. I just use QML register type, pass our class name here, and also and by this version. Okay, this is the version. Okay, now I use the here use that multimedia player related class. I create the one ID, and I use to for the call this function. Okay, and I just here pass the our thumbnail image. Okay, you cannot directly display this thumbnail image on your image element. Okay, you have to first of all save the specific local directory or specific on a memory, then you have to use the by use of that URL you can display here. So this is a simple basic code how to create the multimedia application or multimedia functionality in our Qt QML application or in our Qt Car HMI application. Okay, so let me show you code one by one again. This is a multimedia media player class where I display the media player element, where I display the define the song path, set the some basic property, audio output set 100% volume, and here you will get the all the metadata here. Now I create the one rectangle to display the our controls. Okay, so this is the music control. Okay, so I here define the music control background. Here I use here text property, slider property, and again the text property to end music duration, start music duration, and progress slider. Okay, on mode event I use here set this as position. Okay, and got the value as a duration. Now this is a text, and I create one grid layout to add this all these buttons and layouts in the specific layout. Okay, now this is the first button, shuffle music, previous music, play and pause button. On click event I change the icon. So let me run the application again to show you. So you can see the icon is already also changed, and this is a mute and unmute, and this is the shuffle icon. Okay, I just defined here only two modes, shuffle mode, and this is a play and pause music button code. This is next music, and this is mute and unmute, which I already show you. You can see you must have to make us proper icons for your application. This is the image element to display the thumbnail image, and this is the rectangle for the song name and artist name. I both add the element in our column layout. Okay, so this is only 350 around line of code if you remove the space from it. So this is a simple code, and I display define the our media player related class in our register in our QML file, QML register type by user. So you can use this class and function in your QML application. Okay, you just have to define here. So please drop your comment if you have any questions about this video or this functionality, and please like this video and share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell again to get the notification of new video. And again, I'm want to say sorry for this too much delay videos, and please stay connected for the next video, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.